Sushi. You either love it or hate it. And if you've clicked on this video, then you must love sushi like I do and cannot wait to check out the all-you-can-eat at Kaito Sushi on the MSC Seashore. Roll the intro. Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Rob, and that's right, in today's video, we are going to do a deep dive over my time at Kaito Sushi Bar for their all-you-can-eat option. Now, they do have, throughout the cruise, an a la carte option where you can just go at any time they are open, and you can buy this, that, a few other things that aren't actually on the all-you-can-eat menu. The all-you-can-eat menu is strictly sushi and sashimi. It is $39 a person, and you have a timer of 45 minutes, so you can't just sit there all day. All the specialty dinings can be found in kind of this one location on the ship, and the sushi bar is kind of the corner between teppanyaki and Ocean Key Seafood Restaurant. I will leave a card up above to a playlist that covers every inch and every second of what we did on the MSC Seashore, including all the other specialty dining. So the location was kind of hit or miss for me. It is in a thoroughfare, so people are walking by and it's very open and loud. One of the biggest things I didn't like was the conveyor belt kind of comes in a serpentine pattern like this. And so if I'm sitting there facing the conveyor belt's on my side, then it goes on the other person's side who is eating all-you-can-eat sushi directly towards me. And that can be uncomfortable for some people. I don't really care. I literally eat in front of you all the time, so it doesn't bother me at all. But if you're not the most comfortable eating in front of other people directly, then you might want to find one of the corners to go eat at. But I was placed here, and there was some people across from me that came a little bit later into my 45-minute time limit, and that's correct. For the price of $39, you get all you can eat of the sushi, anything you want, as much as you want, within the 45 minutes. Now, that doesn't include drinks or anything like that. That is just for the food here, the sushi, all you can eat. Now, because it is raw fish, it has to be somewhat high quality because you'll kill everybody if it's not. So I will say the quality was great. I had some very interesting dishes along some very traditional. You know, there was some shrimp. There was a sweet potato one that was really good. Of course, you have all the classics, your California rolls, etc. But I really found that there was some octopus tentacles that I really liked, which I don't know that I would have tried that. But being it's all you can eat, I was paying 1 fee for all of them. So let's literally try one of all of them. At the end of my 45 minutes, I ended up with 15 plates, and I felt absolutely full. It was delicious. It was worth it to me. The service was wonderful. They were attentive, filling my drink, etc. They kept trying to take my plates, and I was like, no, I'm doing a thing. You have to understand. So after like the third or fourth plate, they were like, let's just let the fat guy stack his plates up to show off his prize to the world of how fat he is, and it was great. There's not much else to talk about this, so this is going to be a really short video, but it was great. I really did like the sushi. It was good quality sushi. The price, $39 a person. I will say this, I did it alone. My wife, not a seafood person, not a big fan of some sushi she'll eat, but she's not gonna spend 40 bucks to go eat a bunch of octopus tentacles like I am. So it was good. If you're not into fish or seafood, don't do it. But if you are, if you like sushi, you like sashimi, you like trying new things like octopus, then definitely do it. I highly suggest it. To me, I would put it in the 5 specialty dinings that are aboard the MSC Seashore, which include Butcher's Cut, the steakhouse, Ocean Key, which is their seafood, the Kaito Sushi Bar, Ola Tacos, which is their Mexican, and then teppanyaki. I kind of put it right up at the top. I would probably put second and third to be Ola Tacos and Sushi. They fight back and forth depending on what the mood is. Both of those are all you can eat or have all you can eat options. Now I will say for the sushi, the all you can eat option for the sushi only happens on certain times during your sailing. That is not all the time. So once you get on board, go to where they're trying to set you up for your dining stuff, and you will tell, I would like to do the all-you-can-eat sushi, and they'll say, oh, it's on this sea day and that sea day, whatnot. Ours was on the last sea day that I chose, but we did have other options throughout the cruise. But it was great. It was really, really well worth it. And like I said, I will leave a link up above to a playlist that has all the food, all the stuff that we did aboard the Seashore. I have a bunch more cruises coming up for the rest of this year. So if you're into cruising, if you're into food, if you're into ship tours, room tours, just fun, family-friendly vlogs, I would ask and encourage you to subscribe to the channel. We are going to be on the Celebration in 39 days, heading to Celebration Key, which is going to be great. We're going to bring you a lot of coverage of that. And then I will be back on the Carnival Paradise in December for another roundabout to Celebration Key. So kind of do a couple of updates to their new private island destination, if you will. Well, that's all I got for you today. My name's Rob from Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there.
If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.